So part two, I guess. I've got a tree here in the road I've got to get out. So I'm going to take my bucket right here and I'm going to push this tree up right here and try to get this out of the road. So y'all hang with me a minute while I do this. We had a tornado come through here a few weeks ago and it took out one of my shooting houses. It's completely gone. It's probably halfway to Birmingham by now. Well, I got it out of the road. It broke, but outside the road. And knocked another one of my shooting houses down. And then, so we got them done and fixed back up. The one that's gone, we're going to have to replace that house. And it was up on top of that ridge up there, the back side of those smaller pine trees. So we're fixing to run through a rough spot right here, so y'all hang with me. If I shake you up too bad, I'm sorry. So Haynes is already down here. He flew down here in that buggy getting it. I'm gonna just ease down. We got a pretty rutted out road right here from Washington. Just ease down through here. It's red clay, so it packs pretty hard. It's just got some ruts in it, so but it's pretty flat and it's not going to cause me to tip over or anything. Still got a crimper behind us. It's hanging in there. Alright, so I'm going to hand the phone to Haynes and I want to show y'all what we're doing though before I do this and why we're crimping this cereal rye. And I'll show you during this deal. I'll show you during this deal and what we're doing here and why we're doing it. Kind of give y'all a better idea. The other day, this is Wednesday, so Monday Haynes and I come out here and we broadcast about 40 pounds of seed. A little 5-way mix of seed we broadcast. So what? Cereal rye is a ryegrass. I'm gonna let Haynes hold the phone. Come here, Haynes.
Before you hand me the phone, I want to show y'all something. So you grab one piece of seed, okay? You rip that skin off it. Or whatever it's called. What was it called again?
The husk.
The husk.
Take the husk off of it and then you squeeze it.
If I can get it off.
Just squeeze it, see if any juice comes out of it. Alright, y'all see that?
Stuff that's
Let me get over here out of the sun.
It's on my hand right there. Y'all see it?
Y'all see that white, milky substance right there?
It's on my fingernail.
Yeah,
that means it's ready to crimp.
Yeah, that seed is starting to dry out. When it dries out, what it's going to do is it's going to hit the ground and it's going to reseed itself. So we don't want to do that. So what we're going to do, since it's right here, it's almost to the end of the stage. So we're going to go ahead and crimp it now. And if you look down through here, you can see that's a pea we put out. It rained the other day. It rained Tuesday. And this is a piece of baby corn right here. There's another pea. And we've got some other stuff over here. We got another pea right there.
You want to see that red?
That's a soybean, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and crimp this down, and then hopefully that's got good ground to soil contact. With the crimping, it'll get it right in the dirt. So maybe in about a month, we'll see a good crop coming up out of here.
Did you restart the video?
Yeah, I had to. I think I hit the button and cut it off, so we got two parts. Alright, so Haynes is gonna video me. You're gonna go stand in the back of the buggy, you can watch me. And I'm gonna start crimping this.
Alright, y'all. My dad had to restart the video. think he accidentally hit the end button. This is part 2, y'all. Alright, y'all, so y'all see some lint in it. See how it does. It's not doing too good so far. I don't think so. Ah, something in my nose. Hold up, y'all. Oh, here we go. I think I got it out. Well, that's the cleanser right there. Maybe I'll see if it probably zoomed in too much. But, you kind of laid it down, but just didn't do too good. It kind of did good, but I can't tell. So it's over there right now. So we're teaching y'all this stuff. If y'all want to do it, y'all can, because if y'all don't, because if you're a hunter and you do this stuff and you haven't done it yet, try it out. It takes a few months to grow. I'm not recording the tractor. So it did good. What the heck is he doing? Oh, he's backing up. It's kind of hard to record because I'm too focused in it in real life. No, this is real life. Too focused in the IRL. See how this did. So go over here, see how it's doing. See if it looks good. See how this is sticking up? This is down. That means the crimper did good. For a second I didn't think it would, but all of this right here, y'all, is ready to crimp. So it means that it's been crimping. And I want to take, oh, I got to do it with someone else. Got to help. Then my dad's got to help me with it, so, because he's got to record. Yeah, but y'all, there's some grass still sticking up. Some of the cereal rye still sticking up. So it'll be fine. It won't hurt nothing. Okay, y'all. This is a nice little field. Deer have been out here eating and all that. So yeah, y'all, this did actually really good. doing it on my recording on my tablet. I just like doing it on the phone better. Yeah, y'all, this is incredible. Yo, my dad called me.
What we're seeing, when you pick this up, you can see each spot that this is broken on. Okay, what that does is that kills that plant. It cuts the circulation off to it, so it will die. See right there, and then right there. See how it kind of bends around? So that kills that plant. But it does it to each one, but what it also does is it allows this thatch to stay on the ground and cover the ground so you don't get washing, you don't get water erosion and all that stuff. So each one of these, now as you pick it up, you can see where it's broken.
So if you go up here, I'm just gonna pick
up one, and you can see where it broke it at.
Right
see?
there, right there.
So we'll see. I'm gonna run over this twice because my crimper is not really heavy. It doesn't have. I can't put water in it, so I'm gonna run over this twice, the same way, both times, and then try to knock this down really good.
Can I go up to the house and get some water?
Well, you're on a video right now. You're gonna have to wait. To hit a pretty good dirt spot right there. Got some dirt in here. Yep, I got a plant. That's what happened. So I want to get this dirt out from around this bearing right here. I don't want the dirt getting in our bearings.
Because that'd be horrible.
Well, it'd mess up your bearings, and then you got to buy new bearings. That's a brand new bearing. So, all right, so that's good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and run another. I'm gonna crimp this down. I'm gonna go back and run another lap, same way I run this one, and then we can go on back to the house.
Okay. Where's this one going? Rolling around. I'm gonna roll it around. Alright, I'm gonna go back up to the buggy. I'm gonna head on top of it, and then we're gonna head back to the house, is what he said. Alright, he's running over it again. He's bringing some more down. My video said, I said 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year if we can. So make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe. Because me and my dad are trying to hit that. Because we're on the same. Because we're doing a YouTube channel together. That way I can do it with him. And that way someone can hold the camera and someone can do the other thing. We're singing a real song. Whoa, get that stinking bee away. I don't care. Okay. Zoom 3-0. That sound good, y'all? 3-0. Excuse me. See where I see him. I'm seeing perfect IRL. In IRL, he looks. IRL, he looks real close, but on the camera, no. Because IRL, I have the 3 on IRL. Yeah, IRL, I got the 3. Because I can see 3 times. Okay, y'all, he's coming back. Yes, y'all. We are sponsoring kind of Kubota right now, so this is kind of sponsoring them using the tractor. What is you supposed to go in this way? Gas stuff. It's hot out here, y'all. Like, I don't know how much degrees it is. What time is it? I don't know. Pull my dirty hands out. It's almost 7 o'clock. It's 6:45. As y'all can see, he's coming back. Why am I singing the red song? Whatever. Get that out of my head. So as y'all can see right now, he's just crimped it, and he kind of missed a little bit. Alright, y'all. You got that? We just got a little bit left to go. That thing's spinning like crazy. How much are we zoomed in at? We're zoomed in at 3. Alright, y'all, here it goes again. Alright, he's crimping it again. And yes, y'all, this field looks good now. No more crimped. Oh, now it's getting, well, it's getting crimped. Now it just looks like a flat field. And yes, we had a shooting house, but it got hit by a tornado. And the tornado came out to our land. One time it was severe weather, okay? And it didn't hit the camphouse. Okay, we're just out of our land, okay? This ain't our house, it's just a camp house. Tornado came through one day, and it came straight all the way up there, and it came straight up that hill. That's where our shooting house was. No, it's not one going back up. Yeah, but I don't care. Hey, all looks so good right now. Okay, this field, y'all, is looking incredible. I think we should call this the flat field. Because it's flat. Get it? That's not funny. We should call it the flat field. Flat, not fat. Flat. I think I said fat. I know I said flat. As you can see again, he's coming back. So this is how you crimp it. You just grab a crimper. Okay, they're kind of expensive. Yeah, not everything's cheap. so y'all, we're gonna have 2 parts of this video. So we may put 1 hour into one video. Yes, y'all, this is the only field that we're crimping. Alright, we don't have any other field that we're gonna crimp. My dad ain't took me to one field that I've never been in. And y'all, yes, he's coming back again. And go, bro, give me a cola. Okay, never mind. I don't want a Coke. I want water. Hey, you better pick that thing up. That thing gonna rig. I need water. I'm thirsty. Yes, y'all, that's a sunset. Beautiful sunset. My mom took me after I got out of school. Well, 5 o'clock. 4:40, she got there. We got there. I'm just gonna aim down to the middle of the field. That way y'all see. I'm trying to see too. On my tablet on my YouTube, I hit 18.9 thousand views on it, 10 shares, and 456 likes. 456, whatever. $465, yeah. 465. Trying to get my dad to beat that, but it's probably not. But I hope we do, okay? And also make sure to like and subscribe because we need 1,000 subscribers. Well, we're trying to hit it, and we hope we do because we're trying to get there for the end of this year. And we're trying to hit it right when it turns January 1st. You have to like and subscribe, or else I'm going to scroll so I can subscribe. You've been recording for 23 minutes and 10 seconds. Tell yourself up. That was nothing. I mean, no, it was nothing. Okay, spit. Why am I talking like someone else in my class? Okay, I'm gonna stop acting crazy. Okay, feeling good. Please tell me we can go now. Like he's getting out. That crimper works great. Huh? That crimper works great.
Yeah, that did good. That's better than I thought.
At first, when you started, I thought it wouldn't work, but
yeah. So, yeah, this is a journey for about a 3 to 4 year journey to try to make our soil better. You can see this old red clay, man, it's tough. So this is about a 3 to 4 year journey to try to make our soil work and get better, so we can have better green fields. But yeah, that second trip was the ticket to knocking this stuff down. So we got some weeds in here. We're gonna have to spray probably before we plant this fall, and we'll keep y'all updated on all this and how this goes. But so far, I think it's gonna be good. So we've got, let's look at right here where we crimped on some of this. So yep, you can see where it's bent the roots of the plant. Bent it right there at the bottom, right here. So that's just cutting it off. But then we've got these seeds. You can see the little pea seed right down in there. There's another one right there. There's some corn right here and some peas. So hopefully this stuff here will start growing now that we've got this laid down. Get some seed to soil contact. You can see several of them right there that we've threw out. Several peas, and so we'll keep y'all updated how this goes. Haynes and I are really going to work hard to try to make good videos for y'all. And y'all please like and subscribe to our channel. This is our first long video we've actually done.
Well, I've already
and
said
so
like and subscribe.
we're going to try to show y'all our 4 to 5 year journey on making our fields better and improving. And we're going to show y'all some hunting videos, some of the deer we have on our land, and maybe even show you Haynes knocking 2 or 3 of them down this year. So y'all like and subscribe. We appreciate y'all. Thank y'all very much, and y'all hang with us, and we'll keep y'all informed. Thanks.
Bye-bye.